So you want to make video for your business, but you don't know where to start. In this video, I'm going to give you a 7-step guide that will make creating engaging videos and marketing content really easy. Know your audience. Now that may sound really obvious, but have you actually taken the time to sit down and really think about who your audience are? And by that, I don't mean who your current audience are or who you think your audience are. I mean who you want your audience to be. Who would be your dream customer, your dream client? Because that's the person you need to be creating videos for. It can be quite a chunky piece of work. It can take a little bit of time. But if you put the time in and effort at this stage, then you know exactly who you're speaking to, where they're going to be, where you need to put your videos, when. What do they want to know? What can you possibly offer them that will be of value? If you don't do this for all aspects of your business, how will you even know if the products and services that you offer are what your audience want? Spend some time getting to know your audience and it'll be the best thing you ever do in terms of marketing. Next, you need to set some goals. What do you want to achieve with these videos? How are you going to achieve that? And when are you going to achieve it by? All these things, if they're clear in your mind before you start making content, will again help you write the right content for your audience. Plan your strategy. How will you be using video to help you achieve your business goals? How will it enhance the messages that you're putting out in your marketing currently? What platforms will you be sharing these videos on? How long do they need to be? How often will you be publishing them? And what format do they need to be in? Now, most of this information you'll have got from all the research you've done in stage 1. Consistent content creation. Being consistent in all your marketing avenues, including video, is key to being successful. And again, if you've done step 1 in depth, then you'll have all the information you need. Always include a call to action. Now this could be something as simple as please like my page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. But it could be something else. You could be directing them to a lead magnet that you're promoting. You could be directing them to buy from you. You could be directing them to a course you're running. Always remember to tell your audience what you want them to do once they finish watching your video. Be authentic. Now, unless you're a professional actor, I totally understand that standing in front of a camera and being yourself can be a little bit challenging at times. It's a huge step outside your comfort zone. But people buy from people, and video really is the best way to help them get to know, like, and trust you before they've even met you. You can't do that if you're trying to be someone else, because when they do meet you, they're going to get quite a shock. Test and measure. You should be doing this in all aspects of your marketing. It's the one thing that's going to inform you whether what you're doing is getting to the right people and getting you the results that you want, moving you towards those goals that you've already set. In order to do this, you need to decide what metrics you're going to base this on. Are you purely going to go with number of likes, number of shares, number of comments, number of hits on your website that have come directly from the videos that you've been producing, number of new customers? Whatever metrics you use, you really must test and measure the reaction to what you create. It's the only way you're going to produce better content next time. If you know what of your content people enjoy the most, you can produce more of that kind of content and give your audience even more value. The one thing you must do above all other things, yes, I know this is tip number 8, is to actually get out there and make those videos, because I can absolutely guarantee if you don't make them, no one's going to see them. So get making videos. As I said before, please subscribe to my channel for more ways that you can make video work for your business and create videos that are your most powerful marketing tool.